Hi, my name is ABHIJEET Thorat and I'm with BBD family since from last 8 years. I am based in one of beautiful nation India where BBD has their one of office located in Pune city. If I remember when I started with BBD 8 years back, I started with the Java stack. Now I can able to do everything in Python, cloud, microservices and the mobile app stuff. So that's how I have been grown. Working with BBD is something like you are fulfilling your dreams. Like from remotely working things which BBD was providing pre-COVID and still we have that facility. Even BBD providing one of the most important thing to upgrade on the new technologies where we have very talented team which always support us for those technologies and they encourage us to go with the new tech. As a current BBD employee, I will say, welcome to BBD. In BBD, you will easily manage your work-life balance. So I can only say that, join us.